So the Miles, today's March 12th, Friday, March 12th. Beautiful day. What's going on out here at the Spec House today?
Yeah, good morning. As you can see, we got some activity behind us here. If you've listened to some of our previous videos, we've kind of talked all the way through up until this point. House is currently insulated, just to kind of give you a status update. Next step, drywall. In order to do that, you got to have an acclimated home. So part of that's gas. Here we don't have natural gas connection. We had an opportunity for natural gas, but the line was so far away, it would have cost around $60,000, which is obviously a little too high. So we're going propane. So as you can see behind us, we have the Propane Company here trenching in currently. So it's probably a little loud, but you can see they're trenching in our line. It's a short little run. And they have the propane tank set here as well. They actually have a really cool setup with this Bobcat. They can remote control the entire thing. But really, what we've got going on is part one of being able to get this home acclimated, which is your gas connection. The next step is electrical connection. In a perfect world, you have your gas utility, you have your electric utility. Unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world, especially in the building industry, and sometimes you gotta make things happen. And we already know we've done this before, so if you've seen and watched some of our previous videos, we have our ground thawing unit, which heated our ground in the wintertime so that we could actually pour our concrete onto a non-frozen ground, and then also allowed us to put our radiator inside our basement and keep it acclimated while the concrete cured. Well, it's going to be kind of a similar situation here. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like Consumers Energy is going to get us hooked up in time to get this house acclimated. So what we're going to use is we're going to use this Kubota generator on the front of this ground thawing unit, and we'll have that run inside to our furnace inside, which will actually be able to allow us to heat this house the traditional way. It won't be off from your traditional utility power line, it'll be off of a generator, but it'll get us through until we can get that traditional connection connected to the house, and we can keep the house acclimated so we can do a proper drywall install and a proper drywall finish. So stay tuned for some additional videos. Building Dreams Construction. This house is going to be finished at the end of May, beginning of April. We have it currently listed on Zillow. It's located on East B Avenue. If you're interested, you can also email me at milesfreed@dreamhomesmi.com. Again, that's milesfreed@dreamhomesmi.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.